Alright guys, welcome back to my second unboxing video. So last Friday I placed an order on a few sliders from EGO, and I just want to say I am extremely impressed at how fast it delivered. It took 4 days for my shipment to get to Minnesota all the way from England. That is impressive. I'm still waiting on some shipment from Amazon that I placed last month. Alright, so how's this an unboxing video when everything's already out of the box? So it technically came in this plastic package that was ripping already. As you could tell, they had it all taped up, and by the time I got to the top of the stairs, I just decided to rip it open because so there is a big white box on the bottom and then two little pink boxes on the top. All right, this first one is called the Dreamer White PU size UK4, which is equivalent to the US size 6 in woman. Oh, check this one out. So this is the white quilted square toe slider. Super cute. Super cute. I love it. All right, so this next one is called the Rider Nude PU size UK4. How cute are these? So this is another quilted slider. It looks super comfy. It's a nude, which is one of my favorite colors. Now we move on to the white box. All right, okay, my packing slip. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sunglasses. Yes, I did order a pair of sunglasses. I did put the phone down so that I could get this out of the plastic bag, but super darling. Look at that. All right, moving on. This is probably not a good idea to do at the top of the stairs. This next box, oh, let's see. It says, oh, descriptions on this side now. Bounty, white PU size UK4. Oh, look at this. How cute. I did want it sandals, so I got the square top sandals in white. And this last one, which is NEWRULES black PU size UK4. All right, look at this cute slider. Super cute. Hi guys, thank you for watching my second unboxing video. Again, to go over briefly, this is the white quilted square top slider, and then the nude quilted round top slider, the white square top sandal, and the black woven slider, all from EGO, and then not to mention these cute sunnies. See you guys in my next unboxing video.